Ratchet from the first film, Transformers, and The Revenge of the Fallen. These are very nice angles. It's got this to indicate the heart, the ambulance logo with the Autobot symbol on there. It's got a spare tire and some doors. Flip his head around, and there you have it. Ratchet in his robot mode. Very nice. This is almost like a talking ambulance. Hello? What's up? Yes, it's pretty nice. It's very similar to the deluxe Dark the Moon Ratchet from 2011. Yes, it's very nice. First film and as well as Dark where he got killed off by lockdown. That's pretty much it. Well, thanks for watching. Bye. Yeah.